Adding XYZ Service. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to add XYZ Service. When we click the Add XYZ Service button from the Add Map Service menu in the left menu, fill in the layer name, URL address, minimum and maximum zoom level information in the Add Service menu, and click the Save button, and the XYZ service is added to the map as a layer. The XYZ layers we have added are also saved and listed in the History menu. Layers that have been added in the past can be deleted or reloaded to the map as a layer by activating the button. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.